Suksaba Al-Hind, Pakistani restaurant. But then Nesto, this one Nesto. Okay, let's go inside Suksaba. Okay, Taal ya habibi, Taal, Suksaba, Taal. Nesto kabir, oh. Mujud Nesto, Tamim Restaurant, Sabko Darwa, Al Nada Exchange, Mosque, Aja Abay, Aja. When your house? Your house when? You before Suksaba? When your house? Maybe you miss Suksaba. Suksaba Al-Hind, Al-Mula Exchange, Kuwait Asian, Mujud Kuwait Asian, Mujud Al-Busaini. But then before this one, Rutana Hotel, because before I work in Rutana Hotel, Al-Hind, Al-Hayat, now Al-Hayat Regency. This one accommodation, but now no more. I think this is not Rutana now. Nesto, too much katsara now. Why too much katsara in Suksaba? Before this one clean, now too much katsara. My goodness, what happened Suksaba? This one Nesto, but then in front Mosque, but then this one go Pahil, and then go Pahil, left side Pahil downtown. This one very famous here, the Nesto building, but now closed establishment inside. Go Sawa-Sawa, Mujud, going out Sawa-Sawa. But then there is big Nesto there. See? Much more big Nesto. That one Kulo Nesto. New Jadid building. Going out Suksaba. Alright, you miss Suksaba? You before Suksaba, you miss? Comment. Alright. Follow also. Follow. Subscribe. These people